Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hi, this is me in a torrential downpour outside. Going to cover a canvas, hopefully not with too much water, with a pale pink background. And I'm going to use whatever white is handy from Colourarte, and this is the clear and the white together. I think the clear was a Vivid Intense, I'm not sure. This was probably, yeah, that's a titanium white, Vivid Intense. This is another titanium white that looks plugged, which is probably a good reason I used what I did. Now, I've got an oxo-omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I'm covering a certain amount of canvas with some paint to keep it from sticking or creating marks, but I might want to make marks later. This is Moody Lilac. I don't know if you can see how that flashes purple, but it flashes purple and it's very pretty. So I've decided if I can get some to come out, even though it looks gray, it will dry pink or purple. I thought that was a thing in there. I almost stopped myself. If you can hear that thunder, you know I'm not lying about the deluge. Alright, I'm just going to keep going. I've got Plum Blossom, which is a primary element. And there's a thing in there that needs to come out, and I just pulled my tweezers out of the bucket. So that should not be a problem. Let's do some more. I've been searching through my pinks. I've got a bottle of Frostbite. Which is a Prizm pour, and Lovey Pink, which is a primary element. And instead of taking two hands, I'm just going to pull the top right off and get on with it. I've also got Cosmos, which is a slightly darker pink than those. It does not matter what I get in the beginning, because there will be paint going over this paint. I like the veininess of it when I pull it out. I've also got some pink diamond that I'm planning on using. If I need more white and I don't want to keep using the Vivid Intense, because I don't have that much of it mixed, I'll use some Artist Loft. But we'll see how far this will go first. Try and leave a puddle of color so I can diffuse the color I add on top of it. A puddle of white so I can diffuse the color I add on top of it. And in this case, it's been a long time. Pink Diamond used to be one of my favorite pinks. And I'm pretty sure it probably still will be. Give it a little shake. Really tempted to go ahead and see. That's more frosted. You know what? I've got more frosted berry than anything right now. So just in an effort to get the canvas covered, that's what I'm going to use. Can't help it. Power went out. Good thing my camera's on a battery. Let's see if we can get the light to come back on. some dancing fuchsia. Actually, I'm going to use some whispering wisteria. Maybe a little dancing fuchsia with that. Maybe instead of that, I'll use some more Love You Pink. Now all that's left is for me to decide if I'm going to add yellow and or orange to this. Alright, I am. I'm going to try a little bit of Isadora. Primary element. I'm still going to put that shiny taffeta in there. What have I got? I've got a yellow, mellow yellow, and a little hollyberry. Oh, I've got some orange crush. A little more whispering wisteria. Pink diamond again. I'm looking at that red violet over there and it's calling me. Wow, that's bright. And I like it. Maybe there's some baby blue coming right up. Sounds like Oriental blue. It's been days, and I'm not sure what to do with this, but I'm going to do some Frostbite, Periwinkle, some Whispering Wisteria, and even some Plum Blossom. And I'm going to list the colors under the video, and I'm probably just going to fast forward through most of this if it takes as long as I'm imagining it could. I'm going to use some Oriental blue. Cyan Aqua. A little cerulean blue, a little blue velvet. Whispering Wisteria. Little dancing fuchsia. Some more Frostbite. Some more Periwinkle. I think I want to put some Plum Blossom in there too. Orange Crush. More Dancing Fuchsia. Time to wipe off my spatula. Wild Orchid. Been called to some Rhapsody Rose. I have some Miami Magenta. That's Big Apple. I think that's it. I'm done. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.